Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off lift to check phone in Google Pixel 7a. Most of the phone it is called as raise to wake up. So you can simply pick your phone to wake the screen. So turn off this feature, open your menu, go to settings application, then open system application by swiping up the screen. Then you can see system. So click on that system. Okay, after click on gestures. Okay, there is so much other gestures like quick tap and quick open camera and flip the camera for selfie, every options, and can simply choose lift to check phone option from here. Can see that lift to check option, click on that, then you can see currently it is turned on and there is an animation how it is working. After lifting the phone it will be awake the screen, so it is wake up the screen. So you can simply tap on that button to turn off, and now it is turned off. Now you can simply test that we are turn off the display, then simply pick up your phones. So we are just moving the phones to wake up the screen, it is not working, so that means it turned off. So if you have any problem with that, because whenever you are holding your phone with your hand and you are walking, the phone always turn on and turn off, turn on and turn off. Whenever you keep your phones in your pocket and if you are doing some kind of works, your phone screen will be turn on and turn off. So there is any problem with that, you can simply turn off that feature from here, especially for if you are always holding your phone in your hand and you're like you're holding your phone with walking, then it will be turn on and turn off this phone. So it is not good in that times, so you can simply turn off this feature. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.